manufacturing costs rising and quality control such a major issue today, KD Binney Engineering is proud to introduce a compact, highly productive range of semi-automatic muffler manufacturing machinery. The cut-to-length line is specifically designed for the production of muffler cases. The motorized coil dispenser can hold a capacity of 2 tons and yet can be reloaded quickly and easily by one man, thanks to its unique pneumatic clamping mechanism. This is a major cost saving in terms of both manpower needed and minimal production downtime. The automatic loop control and straightening rolls make sure that the cases are uniform and that no material is wasted. The entire line is computer controlled with a closed-loop computer system featuring up to 99 programs. It can be set up to produce cases either singly or in pairs, to run continuously, producing 1 pair of cases every 10 seconds, or to run on demand, producing a pair of cases only when the previous pair has been removed. The logo, part numbers and date are stamped into the outer sheet only, and the inner sheet is cut 3 millimeters shorter. Both the inner and outer sheets are notched on the corners and the leading edge pre-formed for ease of handling and location. The case maker can manufacture lock-seamed cases in either single or double wrap at a production rate of 1 case every 10 seconds. It can produce, as standard, 9 different sized cases, needing only 1 man to change over the tooling and taking less than 7 minutes to do so. When the new tooling is in place, the microprocessor can be set to reprogram itself to manufacture the differently shaped case. The fully automated computer-controlled passage tube maker is very compact and requires no operator once it's been programmed. It's inexpensive to operate as it manufactures the tubes from coiled aluminized steel rather than from the more expensive pre-formed tubes. A computer-controlled feed-through, as well as the unique motorized coil dispenser, eliminates any fluctuation in quality. The machine punches holes at required center distances, automatically cuts each tube to length, and then forms it up. Either MIG, TIG, or spot welding can be used on the seam. The machine can manufacture perforated or plain passage tubes, or a combination of both. It's also used to manufacture the nipple tubes for the end of the finished muffler. It can be programmed to operate continuously at approximately 13 seconds per set of 3 tubes, or on the JIT system when it will produce 1 set of tubes, wait until they are removed, and then make another set. The assembly press is unique because rather than assembling the tubes and baffles separately and then pressing them into the muffler case, KD Binney Engineering has devised a way to assemble all of the components inside the muffler, ensuring accuracy and consistency every time. The operator simply inserts 2 baffles into the press, stands the 3 passage tubes on their holders, and places the case over the top. All components are pressed into position inside the case, and the passage tubes are then crimped to the baffles. The ends of the case are flanged simultaneously, ready to accept the end plate. The automated nature of these 4 machines and their ease of operation allows only one operator to run all 4 machines at the same time, resulting in a total cycle assembly time to this stage of 25 seconds, therefore cutting expensive labor costs dramatically. Because this muffler is assembled internally, it can be spot welded at both ends rather than just at one end, which is usually the case, therefore strengthening the product considerably. However, the special crimp lock joint, which joins the passage tubes to the baffle, both eliminates the necessity of welding and is stronger than welding, having no corrosion points. This stamping press manufactures both the end plates and baffles. Its 2-ton coil dispenser is equipped with automatic loop control and pneumatic expansion. It is microprocessor controlled and is fully automatic. For those companies not wishing to purchase the full range of machinery, KD Binney Engineering is able to ship any of these parts to manufacturers anywhere in the world, saving on the overall cost of setting up a new muffler manufacturing plant. The KD Binney Engineering nipple press is unique as a high-speed assembler of nipple tubes into end plates and baffles. A stamping head mounted on the side of the press automatically punches and forms a hole in each end plate. The nipple tube is then pushed through the newly punched end plate, at which point, in less than 3 seconds, the nipple press actually expands the tube to the nipple size and reduces the other end for entry into the passage tube. The assembled end plate and nipple are then welded in place. The welder is equipped with 2 welding heads at 180 degrees to each other. This is not only twice as fast as a single weld, taking less than 6 seconds each time, but it has the advantage of eliminating distortion, which can occur due to welding. It's also able to weld ends which have already been assembled into the muffler. The simplicity of operation of each of these machines means that only one man is needed to operate the nipple tube stamp head, the nipple press, and the nipple welder. The double-end seamer designed by KD Binney Engineering is a unique method of end seaming mufflers using counter-rotating cams to drive the seam rolls. This method reduces friction and the consequent wear and tear on tooling, which can lead to quality inconsistencies which are a problem with cam-track style machines. So this not only increases productivity, but it also takes less horsepower to drive than the traditional method. The cycle time is approximately only 8 seconds. Tooling change is very fast, averaging 4 minutes, since one set of tooling weighs an average of only 25 kilograms. Reprogramming this machine is easy with the self-teach microprocessor. It's the flexibility of KD Binney Engineering's muffler manufacturing machinery that makes it so successful. Designed to be simple and easy to operate and maintain, this range of equipment takes up little factory space and is able to produce an astonishing 166 mufflers per man day, which, with 4 operators plus 2 handlers, is 1,000 mufflers per day. With such cost-effective productivity, it's easy to see why the KD Binney Engineering range of machinery is the choice of muffler manufacturing companies around the world.